My ingredients are carrot that has been cut into julienne, green pepper or what others call bell pepper, tossed French beans, irradiated salt, milled pepper. But those of you who are in the western countries, you can use cayenne pepper, vegetable oil, fresh eggs, shrimp powder, complete seasoning. Franca's flavored rice. I already have tutorials on it, so I'm going to put it in the description. Dark soy sauce. The tools I'm going to use are very simple. Wooden spoon, wok. If you have any frying pan, you can use. Actually, the best frying pan to use is the wok. Hello lovely viewers, you are welcome to Mama Francisca's kitchen, and today we are going to learn how to make Franca's special fried rice. You may have been eating a lot of fried rice in the restaurant, at home, with friends, etc. But as you try this, we are going to change the way of making your fried rice. I'm your host, Mama Francisca. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so now, because we have a whole lot of tutorials there, videos on marriage and relationship, and talk shows. The rice that we are going to use is already boiled, and it's Franca's flavored boiled rice, or Franca's flavored rice. Good. I have tutorials on it already, and I'm going to put it in the description. So as you learn how to do it, you use it to prepare your fried rice. Let's start. Please, the oil we are going to use, you have to minimize it. There are times when you eat fried rice and you hold it, it's as if you ate oil. We don't eat oil, neither do we drink oil. We only add a little to what we eat. So please, viewers, don't make oil fried rice. We are doing Franca's special fried rice. So a little oil. It all depends on the amount of rice you are using. Okay. So when you put in your oil, the next thing or the first thing that goes into it is your green onion, the white part. But please, as a cook, you must make sure that your hands are well washed before cooking. I've done mine behind the scene or off camera. Make sure your oil doesn't get hot before you put in your greens. Also, never allow your vegetables to brown. Don't let it become brownish. Everything must be fresh and nice. When you eat vegetables, you get proteins. So the vegetables are supposed to maintain its strength when doing fried rice. Okay. So you just toss for a minute and it's okay. Then you add your carrot. This one, you've made it julienne. You can also grate the carrot depending on what you want. If you are looking for a vocational school to attend within the continent of Ghana, I introduced Frankie Vocational School, which is in Agona Swedro for you. At Frankie, they offer courses in fashion designing, catering, events and floral decor, hat making, cake decoration and sugar crafts, building constructions, and electricals. Contact 020-8159-427 and speak to the proprietress. When you say Frankie, they say the academicians with skills. Okay, so at this time, we are going to add our green pepper or the bell pepper, the green part. If you have the yellow and the red, you can add it. Okay, when you eat fried rice, because of the vegetables, you have the nutrients of protein. My fried rice, not all fried rice, because some don't use any vegetables. And then because of the oil, you also get fats. Then the rice gives you carbohydrates. Do you know you are eating nutritious meal when you are eating Mama Francisca's special fried rice? No sickness. Okay, so the next thing you are going to add is the tossed French beans, or what most of you call green beans, but please not the thin ones. The thin ones, which was snake beans, is not the one we use. You use the short ones. Okay, so this is how lovely it is. Then what we are going to add next is the egg. You take your egg, you break it with the addition of little salt, which I have already done. Some people also have a way they work with their egg. They first fry the egg and scramble it. But I'm not doing people's recipe. This is Mama Francisca's kitchen. Okay, so at this time you add your egg to the vegetable mixture. One thing about fried rice is that fried rice needs high heat, more especially when you put in the rice. It needs high heat. You must make sure that you are using the right wok, not the one that has that thin bottom. So you wait for a while till the egg becomes stable, and then we turn. The smell is something else. Okay, so at this time, you now scramble your egg with the vegetable. My God. Okay. After scrambling it for a while, you add your complete. My little trick. Not too much. Just dash a little into it. I wish my viewers are here in the kitchen with me. Okay. So at this time, we are going to add the chief ingredient, which is the rice. And this is not any other rice than Franca's flavored rice, which I have the tutorials, and I'm going to put the link in the description. Okay, so then you add your rice. This rice, there were things I put in when I was doing the flavored rice. I've taken those things out. I know you are going to watch it, so there's no need mentioning those things. When you watch it, you will know. You just remove it, and then you use it to prepare your fried rice. Surprise your visitors with this fried rice. When you get to know this, you already have a skill. Start making it for money. Start doing it. Let people give you orders. And I'm telling you, through Mama Francisca's kitchen, somebody is becoming a cook already. Okay, so you have to mix it thoroughly. Now what we are going to add next is our shrimp powder. The shrimp powder. Please, not the white one. We are using this one. A little and not too much too. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, Mama Francisca to the World, please do so now. because we have a whole lot of tutorials on pastries, sandwiches, breads, cakes, whatever that is eatable, everything like that is there. Anything that is eatable is there. Okay, then you now add the mole pepper or the cayenne pepper. Not too much, a little. In case you boil the rice with less salt, then at this time you have to taste and check so that I can do any correction. But my rice was okay. And if you added a little of the shrimp powder, which contains a little salt. Have you seen the color? Have you seen Mama Francisca's fried rice? Have you seen the color? You don't see any whitish in there. This is nutritious. Okay. So at this time, we are going to add the soy sauce. Please, you can eat fried rice without the soy sauce like this. But then, the other recipes, we just add a dash. We are not making brown rice. So just a dash. And it depends on the type of soy sauce you are using. Some are dark, some are light. Okay, so watch what I'm doing. To make a good fried rice takes a little bit time when you are frying it. So at this time, our last ingredient now comes in, which will bring our fried rice to a perfect end. And that is the green part of the spring onion. Prepare some for your family. It is nutritious and it is healthy. So viewers, hold on as we serve our rice. Hello, my lovely viewers. We are done with Mama Francisca's special fried rice. And today I'm going to call one of the teachers of Frankie to come and help me do the tasting. Okay, so let me welcome her. If you are watching me on Facebook, this is one of our tutorials which will be on YouTube, God willing, next week. Already we have a whole lot of videos on YouTube, Mama Francisca to the World, which is on premiere now. Just watch us from next week. All our videos and tutorials are coming out. But today we did something special, which is Mama Franca's special fried rice. And somebody is with me to do the tasting. Madam, check and let's see. If you are going to say Sedum, if you are going to say the gas, where are the gas, where are the gas? Tasty. The gas will say, oh, hey, I am Aguna, let's go. And the Ewes will say, Evivim. And the French will say, Sedum. This is tasty. Keep watching Mama Francisca to the World on YouTube and Facebook. So you come your way again. This is Mama Francisca. For orders and contact, call me on 0542 619 011. Mama Francisca of all things. So we meet again. Bye-bye.